Okay, in this video, we're going to teach you how to add a new user contact or replace a user. So, go to Account, Settings, and you'll be in Company Profile. From there, you can add a new contact. Very simple to do. You need to know Ryan Smith, the name. You need the accurate email address for Ryan. That is his account. So please make sure that is correct. So rsmith@daetrucking.com. Title is optional. Phone number is required. Time zone is required. And save. But wait, you've created the contact, but you need to grant staff permissions. What can Ryan do on the site? So, you could grant him all permissions or no permissions. You do not want to make Ryan a driver unless he is an actual driver. That's a unique application. So, we're going to say that he can submit bids, view historical data, create shipments, manage invoices, view reports, view rate information. And we're going to leave him with access to Atlanta because that's what the location we created him under. And we're going to click Save. Now, if Ryan was replacing Dana, you would want to grant all staff permissions to the new user and click Save. You then would want to make Ryan the default contact for all locations. Save. Double check. At that point, you could turn off all for Dana and delete tied to locations like this. That would remove Dana from access. And then once that's done, when you log back in under staff permissions, you can remove a user. But you want to make sure you're granting all the permissions, all access, full access to the new user before you remove the old user. Very important. That's it. That's how you add a new user and make sure to grant them staff permissions.